Well, Kumasi Asante Kotoko head coach Prosper Ogum say no emuate former general manager of the club akoye interview we make a former general manager of the club and let say ye Nana Coker Jembibi asem na make Nana Coker mbeka say Dr. KK no Dr. Kwame time ono na ye the general manager of the club na ono say no was no freemanship inti or some sort of control kakra Oni Asempa FM interview no na reveal say Kotoko no krasa Ogum nsema ye ka ne de bia wa ha no there is a rift between Kumasi Asante Kotoko players no and Ogum na ono ne de or request say Ogum should step aside or should be made to step aside for about 2 to 3 weeks na yempe interim coach bibi ti say Michael say and as a coach bia players no ebe feeling newness and as a freshness on the faces with na nka omode atene around nyoma na nka Ogum asaba ne nsema a oka no all state 10 points ni nyina e wa ha me de brew e wo fia yenko na memfama o say Coker on Asempa FM on 16th April na 16th April o say the technical team headed by Kwesi Appiah and Ogum has been disappointment. Number 2, Kotoko couldn't get the right materials for the league since the IMC had little time to recruit players. Number 3, our biggest problem was the club's inability to beef up the squad in the second round of the league. Number 4, Coach Ogum should be made to stay away from the team for 1 or 2 weeks because of the issues concerning his personal relationship with the players. So, number 4, measures should be put in place to curb the bad attitude of some players. Number 6, the 2 coaches who were made to stay with the players in the hostel should be suspended since they have failed to control the bad attitude of the players as some issues and some no. Number 7, Kotoko can get a stopgap coach, probably Michael Osei, who is available now, or a foreign coach to help the team. The players need new face in the technical team to do well. Number 8, Ogum met experienced players but mysteriously transferred them. That is why he's failing at Kotoko. Number 9, Kotoko doesn't need rebuilding mantra anymore. Number 10, Kotoko needs to buy experienced players. These are the players who have always helped the club. Nature say, what let's say nyoma 10. Media baby a hate me pan say or say Coach Ogum the relationship with the players na abeye so and due to the fact say abeye so no on step aside with name current position or Kotoko for 2 to 3 weeks. I don't know what you think. You can always leave your comment section with us and let's get engaged.